Introducing an easy, ready-to-use cold asphalt type crack filler for pavement repairs. Cracks in asphalt and concrete may seem small, but when left untreated, they can lead to serious damage. Meet the Hansoo Crack Sealer Tube, a quick and easy solution you can apply straight from the tube. Designed with flexibility and elasticity, it prevents further cracking while providing excellent waterproofing and adhesion. No preparation requires. Just squeeze and seal. It's super simple. Available in multiple colors to match asphalt, concrete, and various site conditions. Just clean the crack, squeeze the tube, and the construction is done.